Greg and I would like to thank you for guiding us through the crawlspace work performed on our house. From the first email contact throughout the completion of repairs, you have been prompt and polite, with unending patience to answer any questions or concerns we had. Carlos and crew were outstanding. We appreciate you showing that customer service-oriented, trustworthy and professional companies are still out there. We highly recommend you and CCSS to anyone needing crawlspace work. Warmest regards. Cindy and Greg Troutman, NC.